In this video, I am going to show you how to connect an Epson projector to a mobile phone. So this is possible, but the connection method will depend on your Epson projector model. Most Epson projectors support one or more of these methods. So there is the wireless using Epson eye projection, which is recommended if it's supported by your projector. And there is a USB-C to HDMI adapter cable. So there's two options. The first option, as you said, is connecting with Epson Eye Projection, wireless option. So you would like to download the Epson Eye Projection app on your phone, then turn on your projection, open network on the projector and display the QR code or network information. Many users or many like newer Epson projectors let you connect by simply scanning the QR code, so you don't have to do more. So just open the Eye Projection app, then scan the QR code or select the projector from the device list. Follow the connection prompt or on-screen prompt, and once connected, you can mirror your phone screen or display supported files. The second option is basically connecting with an HDMI adapter. If your projector doesn't allow or supports Wi-Fi, you can connect using USB or Lightning to basically HDMI adapter to your phone. You will need an adapter, so from a USB-C to HDMI. So you can connect an HDMI cable between the adapter and the projector and select the correct basically HDMI input on your projector. Some Android phones does not support HDMI video output. If your, as an example, doesn't, so use the wireless method instead. And if your projector, as example, doesn't support that as well, you'll not be able to do it anyway. So once you select the right input as well, so using the projector remote or keys, an example, press the source and search or inputs, select the HDMI if you're using a cable, select network if you're using Wi-Fi, and the phone screen should appear after a few seconds. So once you're done with that, you should be connected. That's how you basically connect an Epson projection or projector to a mobile phone. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.